Have you ever wondered how pharmaceutical companies turn scientific breakthroughs into life-saving drugs? This is where the fascinating world of biobusiness management steps in. It's a dynamic intersection where biology meets business, where the wonders of science are transformed into tangible products that improve and save lives. Biobusiness management is all about taking scientific discoveries, often born in a laboratory, and ushering them through a complex process of development, production, and finally into the marketplace. It's a journey that requires a deep understanding of both the biological sciences and the principles of business management. Imagine you're a scientist who's just made a groundbreaking discovery. Exciting, isn't it? But that's only the beginning. The next step is to transform this discovery into a product that can benefit society. This is where the business comes into play. You need to secure funding, navigate regulatory requirements, manage production, and finally, market your product to the world. Now let's flip the perspective. Suppose you're a business person in the world of biotech. You need to understand the science behind the products you're selling. Without this knowledge, you may not fully grasp the potential of the product, the challenges in developing it, or even how to effectively market it. You see, the world of biobusiness management is a bit like a dance between two partners, biology and business. Each partner brings unique strengths to the table, but it's only when they move together in harmony that they can truly shine. The importance of understanding both fields for effective management cannot be overstated. It's about bridging the gap between two worlds that, at first glance, may seem unrelated. It's about understanding the language and methods of both biology and business, and using this knowledge to guide scientific discoveries from the lab bench to the hands of those who need them. Mastering biobusiness management means bridging the gap between the lab and the market. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of scientific discoveries, turning them into products and services that can truly make a difference in our world. So let's delve deeper into this fascinating field. The principles of biobusiness management are the guiding lights that navigate the complex intersection of science and commerce. At the heart of biobusiness management lie three fundamental principles: innovation, ethics, and regulatory compliance. Let's take a closer look at each one. First, we have innovation. In the dynamic world of biotechnology, standing still is akin to moving backwards. Companies must constantly push the boundaries of what's possible, exploring new frontiers and developing cutting-edge products. This isn't just about staying competitive, it's about improving lives and expanding our understanding of the biological world. Next, let's consider ethics. Biobusinesses deal with some of the most powerful and potentially life-altering technologies on the planet. With that power comes enormous responsibility. Biobusiness managers must ensure that their companies operate with the highest ethical standards, respecting the rights and dignity of all stakeholders. This includes everything from fair treatment of employees and ethical sourcing of materials, to responsible handling of genetic information and rigorous testing of new products. Last but certainly not least, we have regulatory compliance. The biotechnology industry is subject to a host of laws and regulations designed to protect public health and the environment. While these regulations can be complex and sometimes even daunting, compliance is non-negotiable. Biobusiness managers must ensure that their companies not only understand these regulations, but also embed them into their day-to-day operations. These principles form the bedrock of biobusiness management, providing a solid foundation upon which decisions can be made. They're not just lofty ideals, they're practical tools that help managers navigate the challenges and opportunities of the biotech landscape. But let's not forget, knowing these principles is one thing. Applying them in the real world, amidst the pressures and uncertainties of the business environment, is quite another. That's where the rubber meets the road, and where the true test of a biobusiness manager lies. Knowing the principles is only the first step. Applying them is where the real challenge begins. Let's dive into the real world and see how Biogen Inc., a leading biotechnology company, applies these principles. Biogen Inc. is a titan in the biotechnology industry, known for its innovative practices and robust ethical standards. But how exactly do they apply the principles of biobusiness management? Well, let's dissect this. Firstly, fostering innovation is at the heart of Biogen's strategy. They've created a culture that encourages curiosity, exploration, and risk-taking. By investing heavily in research and development, they're always pushing the boundaries of what's possible in biotechnology. The company nurtures a dynamic environment where talented scientists and business minds can collaborate, challenge each other, and ultimately create groundbreaking solutions. This innovation-centric approach has been key to Biogen's ability to consistently deliver cutting-edge products that transform lives. Now let's talk about ethics. In an industry where the stakes are high and the implications of actions can be far-reaching, Biogen Inc. takes ethical considerations very seriously. They have a robust ethical framework that guides every decision they make, from research to marketing. They understand that their work affects lives, and they carry this responsibility with great care. To ensure transparency, they maintain open communication channels with the public about their research, product development, and business practices. They've also established a rigorous system for reporting and addressing any ethical concerns that may arise. This ethical commitment not only reinforces public trust, but also ensures the sustainability of their operations. Navigating the regulatory landscape is another crucial aspect of Biogen's biobusiness management strategy. The biotechnology industry is heavily regulated, with strict guidelines around safety, efficacy, and ethical considerations. Biogen Inc. has a dedicated team of experts who work tirelessly to ensure compliance with all relevant regulations. They liaise with regulatory bodies, keep abreast of changes in legislation, and work proactively to meet regulatory requirements. This proactive approach minimizes potential roadblocks and ensures smooth business operations. So how do these practices contribute to Biogen's success? Well, by fostering innovation, they're able to stay ahead of the curve and deliver pioneering solutions. Their ethical commitment builds trust with the public and stakeholders, while their regulatory savvy ensures they can operate without unnecessary hindrances. These elements together create a strong foundation for Biogen's business, enabling them to thrive in the competitive biotechnology landscape. It's important to remember that Biogen's strategies might not work for every biobusiness. What works is often dependent on a company's specific context, including its size, scope, and the nature of its work. However, the principles of fostering innovation, handling ethical issues, and navigating regulatory landscapes are universally applicable. Biogen Inc. is just one example of how effective biobusiness management can drive success in the biotechnology industry. So, what does this mean for managers working in biobusiness? Well, in the dynamic world of biobusiness, managers are akin to conductors of a grand orchestra. They have to coordinate different sections, ensure they're all playing in harmony, and lead the ensemble toward the desired goal. But unlike conductors, biobusiness managers have to deal with far more complex and varied elements, from biology and technology to finance and marketing. First and foremost, managers in biobusiness need a deep understanding of both biology and business. They need to be conversant with the latest developments in biology, be it genomics, bioinformatics, or synthetic biology. This is because the biobusiness industry is rapidly evolving, and staying updated with the scientific advancements is crucial to make informed decisions. At the same time, they also need to understand the business side of things. This includes everything from financial management and strategic planning to marketing and human resource management. After all, a biobusiness is a business, and it needs to make profits to survive and thrive. But the role of managers in biobusiness doesn't stop at understanding biology and business. They also need to apply the principles of biobusiness management effectively. They need to bridge the gap between the scientific and business worlds, translating scientific discoveries into marketable products or services. This requires not just knowledge, but also creativity, vision, and strong leadership skills. Moreover, managers in biobusiness are also responsible for fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration. They need to create an environment where scientists, engineers, and business professionals can work together seamlessly. This is crucial because the success of a biobusiness often depends on the synergy between these different disciplines. Last but not least, managers in biobusiness need to navigate the complex regulatory landscape. They need to ensure that their business operations are compliant with the relevant laws and regulations. This is particularly important in biobusiness, given the ethical and societal implications of biotechnology. In the end, the success of a biobusiness hinges on the skills and knowledge of its managers. They are the ones who steer the ship, ensuring it stays on course amidst the turbulent waters of scientific advancements, market dynamics, and regulatory challenges. As we look to the future, how will biobusiness management evolve? Just as the biological sciences are continually advancing, so too is the business landscape that supports them. The future of biobusiness management is a fascinating realm that's set to be influenced by several key trends. Firstly, we are likely to witness increased automation. As technology continues to develop at a breakneck pace, it will permeate the biobusiness sector even more deeply. Think about lab automation, where repetitive tasks such as pipetting and centrifugation are given over to robots, freeing up human minds for higher-level problem solving. This trend will extend to the managerial level as well. With the advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning, we can expect to see more automated decision-making tools that can help managers make informed choices quickly and accurately based on vast amounts of data. Secondly, the importance of sustainability is becoming more and more pronounced. In the bio-business sector, this might mean focusing on developing products and services that are not only profitable but also environmentally friendly and socially responsible. This shift towards sustainability will require innovative thinking and a willingness to challenge the status quo, qualities that will become increasingly valued in bio-business managers. Finally, we have to consider the potential impacts of global regulatory changes. As we've seen in recent years, changes in regulations can significantly affect the bio-business landscape. In the future, managers will need to have a firm grasp of international regulatory environments and be adept at navigating these complex waters. This might mean more focus on risk management and strategic planning, as well as an increased emphasis on cross-cultural communication and understanding. The future of bio-business management is not set in stone. It will be shaped by these trends and many others still unknown. However, one thing is certain: those who can adapt to these changes, who can harness the power of technology, prioritize sustainability, and navigate the global regulatory environment, will be well positioned to lead the way in the bio-business industry. In an ever-changing world, those who can adapt will lead the way in the bio-business industry. So, what have we learned about bio-business management? We've delved into the fascinating crossroads where biology meets business, an intersection that's teeming with opportunities for innovation and growth. We've discovered that biobusiness management is not merely a niche field, but a dynamic and ever-evolving discipline that's shaping the course of our future. We've explored the principles of biobusiness management, understanding how it entails the application of business strategies to the world of biology. It's about making informed decisions based on scientific discoveries, about navigating regulatory landscapes, and about managing the commercialization of biological products and services. We took a close look at Biogen Inc., a real-world example that brings these principles to life. Biogen's success story illustrates how effective biobusiness management can lead to breakthroughs in medical research, create jobs, and generate substantial economic value. We've also discussed the crucial role of managers in biobusiness. These professionals are not simply administrators. They are visionaries who guide scientific research towards practical, marketable applications. They bridge the gap between the lab and the market, transforming raw scientific data into products and services that benefit society. And of course, we've peered into the future of biobusiness management. We've considered how advancements in technology, changes in regulations, and shifts in market demand will influence this field. We've also reflected on the exciting opportunities these changes will create for those who are prepared to seize them. In essence, biobusiness management is a vibrant field that combines the scientific rigor of biology with the strategic thinking of business. It's a field where creativity meets pragmatism, where innovation is fueled by market needs, and where the future is shaped by those who dare to dream. Whether you're a business student or a biology enthusiast, understanding biobusiness management is a step towards contributing to the future of this exciting field.